5 E46 upgrades, $500 and 5 minutes. That's a lot of fives. You've managed to save $500 to lavish on your beloved E46. Well, great news. I've put together a list of 5 upgrades that I'm going to share with you to make your E46 more reliable and much easier on maintenance. So you've now got 11 seconds, maybe 12, to go get your credit card and get ready to go shopping. Add to cart, confirm details, pay now. G'day everyone, Michael Taylor at 64 Motorsport and welcome to 5 Minute Fridays. That's right, in this video I'm going to share with you 5 upgrades to suit your E46 and come in at a total of $500. A couple of things before we get started. Firstly, I've put links below in the description for all the items that I'm talking about in this video. So if you see something you like, just go to the description, click on the links and get ready to go shopping. Secondly, all the prices I'm quoting are in US dollars. And I've chosen US dollars because it's a universal currency and because my viewers are from all over the world. It's just an easy currency that everybody's familiar with. So, without further ado, let's get started and get straight into it. And number 1 is the E&P Stewart High Performance Water Pump. Now this one comes in at $178.95 US. And I know you might be thinking this is more than 3 times the price of most water pumps, but it is so worth it. The features and benefits of this pump will suit any application, whether you're doing a few track days, full-on race build, or even just doing daily driving. The reliability and the performance from this water pump is going to guarantee that you'll constantly get a good flow of coolant throughout your engine. You get a 20% increased flow over your standard water pump. It's got the stainless steel impeller, but also a heavy-duty water seal. It'll also deliver less parasitic drag than other water pumps. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty. This is the bee's knees of water pumps, and for under $200 it's a really great upgrade for the cooling system on your E46. So that's number 1. Number 2, now this is one that you might have thought about but just never got around to doing, and the reason is you never really think about it until you've got to change one of your wheels. And what I'm talking about here is the wheel stud conversion kit, and this runs in at $142.45, but it includes all the wheel studs to suit all 4 wheels plus the conical seat lug nuts. This is going to make changing wheels so much easier. And once you've got these installed and you start changing your wheels, you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. But there's other benefits as well. Firstly, if you're doing a few track days or going racing, some of the racing classes will actually require you to have wheel studs rather than wheel bolts. But secondly, it's actually going to save wear and tear on your wheel hub. Because the stud is now permanently in place, you're not having to run the bolt through the threads on the wheel hub every time you change the wheel. How many of us have been sitting there trying to balance the wheel, line up the hole, get that wheel bolt in, oh it's a couple of mil out, jiggle it around and do it again? No more. You'll wonder why you've never done it before. So that's 2 down. Number 3 is probably one of the first things I installed on my E46, and it's the rear strut tower reinforcement plates. The sheet metal around the rear strut towers are known for fatigue and wear and tear. So you can help to eliminate the chances of cracking and fatigue in the top of the strut tower by installing these strut tower reinforcement plates. It's an easy job to do, but the peace of mind that you'll get from it far outweigh the cost and the time to install them. I've chosen the Turner Motorsport rear strut mount reinforcement plates, and these clock in at $36.51. 51? What's the 1 cent for? They come from Turner Motorsport, so you know that it's a quality brand from a reputable supplier for E46 parts. That's number 3. Moving on to number 4. This time we've got the ECS Tuning aluminium water pump pulley. This is a great upgrade for the composite water pump pulley, particularly if you're going to be installing the Stewart water pump. No longer do you have to worry about the potential of that composite water pump pulley cracking or breaking and your cooling system failing. Now this is a little bit pricey at $91.95, but it's a CNC machine 6061 billet aluminium water pump pulley that's been hard anodized finished. It's going to resist corrosion and continue to hold its good looks year after year. A great add-on when you're upgrading your water pump. Have you ever struggled with getting out the brake rotor set screw on your E46? Well, for number 5, we're going to replace that set screw with the stainless steel set screw from ECS Tuning. Now these come in at $5.65 each or $22.40 for a full set, but once you've replaced it, no longer are you going to have to worry about getting those set screws out whenever you've got to replace or remove the brake rotors. It's a simple fix, but it's going to make maintenance so much easier for you. Now I've got a couple of bonus ones for you as well. The first one is your coolant system bleed screw. They can be a real nightmare to get out when you're doing a coolant refresh or having to bleed your coolant system. You can upgrade that with this brass bleed screw, and it runs in at, hold on, let me check my notes, $3.20. So for less than a cup of coffee, maintenance and bleeding your coolant system is going to be a breeze without the risk of damaging the head on your bleed screw. And the next bonus one is a magnetic drain plug, which comes with a new sump plug washer. $24.65, and once again, this is going to give you a heap of peace of mind knowing that the magnet on the drain plug is going to capture any metal fragments that are floating around in the oil in your sump. So you can identify a problem well before it becomes a major issue. So that's 5 upgrades for $504.30. So you can choose any of them, or you can choose all of them. Any one is going to be a great addition to your E46 and really help out with making maintenance easier and also with improving the reliability on your E46. Drop us a comment below if you've added any of these upgrades to your E46 and let us know what your feedback is, because we can share that information with our other E46 viewers. Also, if you've enjoyed the video and you've got something from it, remember to hit that like button because it really helps out my channel when you do. If you want to see more 5 Minute Friday videos or to follow the build on my supercharged E46 325 CI Coupe, then consider subscribing and remember to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. But I've really enjoyed your company today. Thank you so much for watching. And until we meet again, perhaps on another episode of 5 Minute Fridays, then look after yourselves, stay safe, and TTFN. Oh, that was a mouthful.